Hello, I'm Maddie of Maddie Harvey Designs. This is a video tutorial to accompany my Centaurea pattern, which is part of the Shawl Saturday series for 2019. And the video is going to show you how to make a couple of these increasing and decreasing stitches, including the knit yarn over knit, which is used at the bottom of some of the shapes, the knit two together yarn over knit two together, which is used at the edge, the knit two together through the back loop yarn over knit two together through the back loop stitch, and the knit three yarn over knit three, which is used in the center here to draw together the shapes and start the other side of the shapes. So first of all, I'll show you how to do the knit yarn over knit stitch. So I'll just work along till I get to the slip stitch column here. And I need to just do a decrease here to compensate for this increasing stitch. Right, so I'm at the slip stitch column. So I put my needle in, yarn around, pull through a loop, but don't take the old stitch off there. Make a yarn over round the right hand needle, insert the tip again, knit the stitch again, and then come through and off. And I've got 3 stitches where I had 1. So I'll just work along here until I get to the other column. I'm just working some decreases here to compensate for the increase stitches. There we go. Okay, so here we are at the slip stitch column again. So put your needle in, round, pull a loop through, make a yarn over, put your needle back through to knit the stitch again, pull that loop through and then off. And you've got 3 stitches where you had 1 before. Okay, so now I've completed the kind of outward leaning sides of the diamond here. I'm going to show you how to do the kind of return stitch on each edge to start bringing the shapes in towards each other, and also how to do this centered stitch here, which brings these 2 edges in but also starts these ones at the same time. So here I'm going to do the knit 2 yarn over knit 2 stitch. Okay, so it's similar to the knit yarn over knit, but this time you're doing knit 2 together, then make a yarn over, and then knit 2 together again. And I end up with 3 stitches where I had 2 before, and it will lean to the left. Okay, so it's going to make this shape come back across. So I'll just show you once more. So knit 2 together, don't take the old stitches off, yarn over, knit 2 together. Okay, and then we'll just work along to the center, and I'll show you the same thing, but this is knit 3 yarn over knit 3. So it's increasing and decreasing at the same time. So it involves these 2 slip stitches here and this center stitch. So knit 3 together, don't take the old stitches off, make a yarn over, and then knit 3 together again. So those 3 stitches have come together at the base here, but they've increased into 3 here. So the stitch count remains the same, but you're getting this nice sort of sharp point to the top of these shapes and to the bottom of the next shapes. So I'll undo it and show you again. So knit 3 together, make a yarn over, and knit 3 together. So this one is knit 2 together through the back loop, which creates a right leaning decrease or increase. So it's the same idea as before, but just knit 2 together through the back loop, make a yarn over, then knit 2 together through the back loop again, and take the old stitches off. And you've created 3 stitches out of 2, and it is leaning to the right. So I'll just undo it and show you again. Okay, so knit 2 together through the back loop, make a yarn over, and knit 2 together through the back loop, I hope you found that helpful. If you'd like to find out more about my patterns, you can do so by looking in my Ravelry store on ravelry.com.